Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Lexus GS350 headlights. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a long Phillips head screwdriver, ideally 8 to 12 inches, along with some masking tape and a reliable tape measure. Before starting, park your car on a perfectly level surface, precisely 25 feet away from a flat wall or garage door. Also, confirm your tire pressure is correct and remove any heavy items from the trunk to ensure accurate adjustments. Now, let's prepare your vehicle and mark the wall. Measure the exact distance from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to your wall using masking tape to create clear horizontal lines for each headlight. Next, turn on your low beams and mark the vertical center of each light pattern on the wall, aligning with your horizontal lines. This creates a precise target for your adjustments. With your marks in place, it's time to adjust the headlight beams. Open your hood and locate the adjustment screws behind each headlight assembly. You might need to remove some plastic covers. Typically, there are 2 screws per headlight, one for vertical and one for horizontal alignment. Turning the vertical screw clockwise usually raises the beam, while counterclockwise lowers it. Adjust the horizontal screw to move the beam left or right, aiming for the marked targets on your wall. For your final check, ensure the top edge of your low beam pattern on the wall is at or slightly below the original headlight center mark. The driver's side beam should be a few inches lower than the passenger side to prevent blinding oncoming traffic. Once satisfied, take your Lexus GS350 for a test drive on a dark, level road. This final check confirms optimal visibility and ensures your headlights are perfectly aimed for safe driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.